Hey guys, I guess you're probably wondering, what is all this? All right, so these are what you guys been asking me for, the cash envelope notebooks that I have made. So these are all ready to ship, and they come with mystery envelopes. So the envelopes that you get inside will be different type of envelopes, but they're all cute. So I ended up making these because you guys have been inboxing me, emailing me, and posting in comments. Was I ever going to make these available for you guys? I use this one as my savings challenge book. And you guys that if you follow me on my channel, you see that I've been saving quite a lot with these little books here, and they actually pretty much work. And I might offer these little loops too, so I do have until tomorrow to see if I'm going to put those up on the site. So how these are, this is like an A6 size. So these are the covers, and I will put these on the website so you can pick which cover you want, so you will be able to pick it. But in the inside, you're going to have different type of envelopes inside. So they're mystery envelopes, so you're just going to be surprised, right? So I wanted to make this more like just more efficient on getting these out to you guys, so you can have them. So I'm just going to show you a couple of the covers that I have there. And then I do have some books that is kind of like rustic type, and they're not as thick cardstock as the gold foil ones are. So they're still, you know, quality and sturdy, but they're not as thick as these, because these are like, you know, thicker cardstock, and they do have the foil. So that's what those look like in the inside. So and these are like, if you like vintagey rustic, and keep this out, y'all. So I don't know, this, I had some of this, so I was like, let me just go make one. This could be like for your husband, or you know what I'm saying, or boyfriend, and they can just have their own sinking funds binder. But I only made one of those because I wanted to just test those to see how it works. Okay, so now with this, I'm going to show you, I did make a couple of these. So I might do a release of A7 ones, so I'm just waiting to see how these go. So I might only going to put a couple of them. So these are this envelopes here, and these are like super cute, and they're like A7 size. All right, so that's what we have there. All right, so I'm just going to stick those there. And so I was going back and forth with the labels of what I was going to actually do the labels for, because like I said, I want to make it so that I can get these out to you guys. So what I came up with is these right here are labels that you can put there. They also fit on these also. So I did it this way so that if you, just like how I'm going to show you, just like how I have my couch envelope is laminated in here, and it's, for the rest of this book, it's a couch envelope, unless I just put a sticker over top of it, but it's a couch. I can't change it, or I can't do anything. But with this one right here, you can actually stick the paper inside of here, so you'll get 6 of these little pocket holders that you can adhere to here. And then you're going to get 6 of these little card inserts that you can put. Now, if you want to print out and make your own, all you have to do is just print it out, and you can use this as a guide here. And then you can just stick this in. If you have stickers, you can put stickers on here. Or if you know what I'm saying, if you have like a Cricut machine or a Cameo Silhouette, you can do like little vinyl letters and put them on there. Or if you have pretty handwriting, which mine is kind of like rough, you can actually put that on there also. So that's what you're going to get for that. So that's 6 envelopes and 6 of these little teeny label holders there. So that's how that is going to work. And I'm forgetting something else. I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing. Okay. Oh yeah. And then you're going to get a Sharpie. So the Sharpie is going to be to write on the labels. And I did do a poll where I told you guys that you were going to, you know, I was going to send the Sharpie so you can pretty much write what you want to write, and a lot of you guys said that you want to put the labels on yourself, so I'm just going to stick those in the pack, and I'm just going to basically let you pretty much write on it, or if you want to decorate it. And these are pretty thin pointy markers. I hope you can see right there. So that's what those is. So I do have a bunch of these that are going out, so once these run out, I will be putting these in there. So I just want to let you guys know. But so far I do have a lot of these, but I'm just saying if these run out, then this will be the replacement. It'll still be a Sharpie, but it'll be not the, you know, the click it one. So all right, so that is all that I have to tell you guys about this release. So hopefully Everybody gets a chance to get one, and then I will tell you guys when I will restock. And then you can just find, and these are just some other, I was trying to show you guys some other designs that I had that I didn't show you. Oh, here's another one. That one's a cute one there. So thank you guys so much. This was super short video, right? So these are all the ones that are going to actually be pretty much available. And then we have that there. And then you can also label these also on the front if you want to do that too. All right, guys. So thank you so much. If you're not already hopped over to my Instagram and TikTok, is called APinkeClothlife. And if you did like this video, it was short and it's not even like an informative video, just to tell you guys, please give it a thumbs up, guys, because you know I do appreciate it. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.